Welcome, today we're going to show you how to disable Superhuman Go extension on Chrome. If you have this extension as you come here and you want to disable it by just clicking on here or any other place from here, it won't actually be disabled. The first thing that you can actually do is to disable the Grammarly extension. So you can actually do it either by clicking on the extensions from here and search for the Grammarly Superhuman extension, and you can click on it. From here, you can actually disable Superhuman Go. This is the first thing that you can do. The second option that you have is to actually disable Grammarly extension. So, how to actually do that? First, you need to click on the three dots, and then you need to go to Extensions tab. Click on Manage Extensions, and from here, you need to search for Grammarly. From here, you can either turn off this extension or you can actually remove it. So you can do either of these options. I will just turn it off for now. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.